Ingenuity is the robotic helicopter operating on Mars as part of NASA's Mars 2020 mission. On the 19th of April 2021, it successfully completed the first powered controlled flight by an aircraft on a planet besides Earth, taking off vertically, hovering and landing.
The Mars helicopter, Ingenuity, is a technology demonstration to test powered flight on another world for the first time. It hitched a ride to Mars on the Perseverance rover. Once the rover reached a suitable helipad location, it released Ingenuity to the surface so it could perform a series of test flights over a 30 Martian day experimental window.
For the first flight, the helicopter took off, climbed to about 10 feet above the ground, hovered in the air briefly, completed a turn, and then landed. It was a major milestone, the very first powered flight in the extremely thin atmosphere of Mars, and, in fact, the first such flight in any world beyond Earth. After that, the team planned additional experimental flights of incrementally farther distance and greater altitude. The helicopter successfully executed its second flight on April 22, 2021. After the helicopter completes its technology demonstration, Perseverance will continue its scientific mission. Subscribe this channel and you're now in the best channel for exploring the night sky.